Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Nadeau Void XL NF here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and you know what, you can also leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts about this fella right here. This is the Nadeau Void XL non-flipper NF. This is a custom knife, guys. It's not the production version. It's one of four, very limited, very expensive. This guy is gonna run you around $1,500 if you wanna acquire it. It's a fantastic titanium frame lock made by Nadeau in US. It's great. I mean, 3D milling going on. It's crazy. Look at this raw titanium showing underneath the surface of this very lightly stone washed handle, checkered pattern and pinstripe, like very thin lines going on. Beautifully made. The lines are gorgeous, and this one, tiny backspacer, titanium tip-up carry, pocket clip, beautifully done. Look at this dual tone finish, hidden hardware for the clip. You got stainless steel lock face insert, over traveled stop bar integrated into that. You got a very nice jimping chamfered fuller on the blade, which just integrates like in a marvelous way with the handle. Really sinuous lines. I love what he did in this area over here. This guy can be deployed, like you see, like that with the index finger, can be deployed with the thumb. You just do that. Can be deployed with the middle finger, like so. Maybe you can do even like ring finger kind of deal, like that. And maybe you can even do like pinky finger, kind of like in this. Not really, but maybe if I'm just not doing. No, I can't do I can't do the pinky. But anyways, it doesn't matter. You can probably do it. I'm just like a noob at this. But I mean, just look at this detail over here. Look at that. Look at that. At the beginning, it looks like scratch, but no, it's just like the patterned machining going on to these satin areas over here, which are, by the way, gorgeously looking. It is a stunning one. Look at the raised area, for example, for the pocket clip not to touch. You see, look at that. It is well made, tiny cut relief for the lock bar. It is a gorgeous one. There is no internal skeletonization, but there is a ton of chamfering going on. Actually, let's quickly check this size. This guy has like 3.75 inch long cutting edge, 4.75 inch long handle. Overall length is going to be 8.5 inches. And let's see on the scale where this guy stands, because it's not too bad, actually. Pretty much like the weight in the hand, like 4.54, so not too shabby for this guy. The sound also, clack, and tink, and clack, deep, and nice tink. This guy, of course, runs on bearings. I still have to maintain and open this guy because I don't have the right spanner actually right now for the job, but I'm curious to see if I can kind of like improve the action, because you see it just drop shot when you disengage the lock bar, but you need a wiggle to just get the blade closed. It's pretty satisfactory actually. It's good, but I'm just wondering if I can just improve this thing a little bit. But hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to know more, check out my full-length review. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.